Hi guys, this is Lauren from Marigold in Broadville, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vest out of an everyday scarf. So here's kind of the scarf we're going to start with. Our end product is going to look like this. It's really simple. It's a really great alternative for a summer jacket. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold this scarf kind of lengthwise like this. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to get the two corners here. So you just have half of the scarf, and then you're going to tie these two corners together. And I would make kind of a small knot, and then you're going to find the opening. And so what you've done is you've essentially made two armholes, and then you have a cute summer cover-up or scarf. Here's the knot in the back. And depending on how long the scarf is how long the vest will be. So this is a little bit of a wider scarf, so it's going to be longer. These are a little bit shorter in width, so they're going to be like a little bit shorter, like maybe to the hip. But it's a great way to introduce color, and you can even tie it in the front if you want it to close too. And this could even be like a beach cover up, but it's a great alternative for a summer scarf. So yeah.